Hi everyone, my name is Kian Harden. I'm here at the Heritage Society, and we are standing in the Duncan General Store. It is a recreation of an 1878 general store originally located in Egypt, Texas. Now back in this time period, your general store was kind of everything for you. Think of it like Walmart or H-E-B. You could come to the post office, you could come to the pharmacy, you could get materials for clothing, toys, tools, things like that. And especially being in a rural community where you're very spread out, this was a lot of times used for social functions. So your farm's kind of far away from your friend's farm, and being able to come to the store and socialize was kind of a big deal to people. So you can understand why things like this would have been really important, especially in rural Texas.